Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In this video, we are going to talk about regular expression in Python. So, what regular expression is, why we use regular expression. So, I'm Ashank David and I'm going to teach you about regular expression in Python. So, without any further ado, let's begin with the topic. And before we start, I would request you people to please like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. So let's get right into the topic. This video will be divided into parts. So part 1, part 2 like that. In this video, I'm just going to tell you what regular expression is and why do we use it, and in my next video onwards we are going to see how we can use regular expression in our normal program. So first of all, let's discuss about what regular expression is. So let me tell you that regular expression is a tool in Python for matching patterns in a particular text or a string. So this means using regular expressions we can find, match or replace text or words in a given particular string. So we can do this with the normal string operations, right? We can use dot replace method, that is one of the string operations, to replace anything into a given string, right? Let me show you how. So I'm going to create a variable called original string. Here in this original string, first of all I'm going to give my original string. So let's say my name is, let's say John is my original string. Okay, now let's try to print this string by writing print and then original string, and let me run this program for you. You see my name is John is being printed. Now let us say I want to replace this John with David. How I can do this? I'll create another variable replaced string just to make you understand, and here I'm going to use original string and I'm going to use dot replace method. Okay, so with this replace method I can easily just replace John with David. How? In the parameter I need to give the word that I need to replace and comma with what word I need to replace it with. So let's say David, I need to replace it with David. Okay, so I need to replace John with David. So here I've used dot replace method on my original string to replace John with David. Okay, so now when I'm printing this, I'm not going to print the original string now. I'm going to print the replace string. Why? Because I have done the replacement in the replace string, right? Now to see the changes, I need to print a replaced string. So I'm going to right click onto it and I'm going to run it. So now you can see my name is David is being printed, and we successfully replaced John with David in this case using a replace method onto our original string. Got it? So this is one way we can use it. So why we use a regular expression? Let me tell you why. Let's see another scenario first. Let's say my original string is something else, somewhat like Main Street Broad Road. This is my original string, and now I want to replace this original strings road with, let's say, David only. So easily you will think that I will just change this to road instead of John, and now we will be able to easily replace this road with David, right? No. Why no? Let me first run it and show you why. See, Main Street B David, and again David has been printed. So this is the problem where we'll find in the replace method that here in the original string we had this road also in broad and this road also. We need to just replace this road, but we accidentally replaced this road as well in the spelling only using this replace method on my original string, correct? So how I can tackle this problem? I have another way. What I can do is, instead of using this replace dot replace here, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to use the index method. So how can we do that? First I'm going to count the index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is where 17 is. So let's say from 17 onwards I need to change this road only. So here in my original string I'm going to give my index. 0 comma 17. From 17 I'm going to concatenate this to a new original string variable original string. Here in this I'm going to again give my from 17 till I'm going to leave this empty, and I'm directly going to use dot replace method here, and again I'm just going to I'm going to write here road, then comma, and I'm going to give David inside quotes again. So here what I've done is I've given the index till where my original string is, that original string will be as it is written till here, till my 17th index, and from 17 onwards I am using dot replace method to replace only this road, that means this road, with David. Okay, now let's try running it. I'm going to run this. You can see Main Street brought David. Successfully we have replaced road with David, right? We only wanted to replace this road with David, and we successfully have done it. So this is the way that we can use to successfully replace the thing that we want to replace. But again, this is a very long method, right? Again, you need to think a lot. You need to count the indexes one by one, and then you need to tell from where you want to replace it using the replace method, right? This is the traditional replace method. So we can skip this whole step by using a regular expression. So we can directly tell which road we want to replace and that which word we want to replace, and that will be replaced easily using regular expression. So this is the problem where we use regular expression. So in this video I wanted to show what are the problems that we get while using the dot replace method if we want to replace anything from any string, and there we want to use regular expression. So basically regular expression is used here in this case. So this is it for this video, guys. For now I'm going to cover it till here only. From my next video I'm going to show you how we can use regular expression in the program and how we can use it to find, match or replace any other text in any other string. So I'll see you in the next video then. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts in this video, please tell us in the comment section. I'll clear your doubts, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Again, this is Ashang David signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe and happy learning.